Can you all able to see the board? Okay, I hope it's clear. So we can start with the second chapter, pair of linear equations. Where are the others? We'll wait for a few seconds. Okay, write down the questions. I hope everyone is joined. Who all are there? Vidya, I saw, Jivitesh. Yes, others are also message. Who all are there? Yeah, who is the third person? One I can, first is Vidya, another is Jivitesh. And who all are there? Who all are joined? Okay. Okay. Manthan. Okay. So all are came, no? Check. So write down the questions. From the given pair of linear equations, find the value. Everyone can write down the questions properly. Okay. So here, from the given pair of linear equations, 3x plus ay is equal to 50 and 9x minus 21y is equal to 15. Okay, so I will write the equations over here. Here the equations are given. 3x plus ay is equal to 50 and 9x minus 21y is equal to 50. So here they are saying find the value for a. Okay. So here we have to find out the value for a, and they are given one condition for find the value of a for them to be parallel. Okay, this is what the given condition. So how can you find out this? So they are saying these are the parallel lines, correct? Parallel lines they give very clearly, and we know the condition for parallel line. Parallel line condition is nothing but what? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. Correct? This is the condition for the parallel lines. Now here if we check these two equations, suppose this is my equation number 1 and 2, and if we compare with the standard equation, so some questions I will solve in detail. So if these are nothing but what? Standard equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, then a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So a1 is a coefficient of x, b1 is a coefficient of y, and c1 is a constant. Similarly, here a2 is a coefficient of x, b2 is a coefficient of y, and c2 is a constant here. So here if you compare this equation with the given one, a1 is nothing but here 3. a1 is a 3, then b1 is nothing but a, and c1 is nothing but minus 50, because 50 is to that side, and according to the standard equation the c1 is towards the LHS, so here it is RHS, so it will come minus 50. Then what is a2? a2 is nothing but 9, b2 is nothing but minus 21, and c2 is nothing but minus 15. Okay, so now we can take this condition here. 3 by 9, I am just substituting, a1 by a2 is 3 by 9 is equal to a by minus 21, which is not equal to minus 50 by 15. So no need to consider that, leave that part, only you can focus on this part. Okay, and take a cross multiplication. Here 3 3s are 9. So I will write 1 by 3 is equal to a by minus 21. Minus 21 you can transpose here, then a is nothing but how much? Minus 7. So value of a is nothing but minus 7. Can you getting this? This is 2-mark question. They are saying parallel, that means you have to put the conditions over here for parallel lines. So the basic thing is that you must know the equations. Okay, if you know the equations, then and if you know the conditions, then it's very easy to solve. Okay, so here I explain in detail. This is 2-mark question. Actually here you can take direct coefficients, but those who are new today, so for them I explain with the basic equation also. Copy this. Everyone is getting this? Anyone have any doubt? Alia is not joined, I think. Okay, chalo. Everyone copied? Once you copied, then message me yes. Then only I will erase and I will give a new question. Alia is joined here. Okay, write down next question. For what? Everyone copied from the board? Everyone finished copying? Okay. Write down next question. For what value of k? For what value of k? Yes, Mariam. What value of k? The pair of linear equations. The pair of linear equations 3x plus y is equal to 3. 3x plus y is equal to 3. And 6x plus ky is equal to 8. Does not have a solution. Does not have a solution. Okay, here equations are given. These are the equations are given, and we have to find out the value for k. Always remember, whenever they are asking to find out any values, then always immediately check what is the condition given. Here they are saying no solution. Correct? No solution means what? They are parallel. In parallel case only we are getting no solution. Okay, in rest other things we are getting solution, because when the lines are intersecting you will get only one solution, that is unique solution. When you have the lines are what? Overlapping or coinciding with each other, that time also you will get what? Infinitely many solution. But no solution means lines are parallel, and for parallel just now we did the condition, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is my equation number 1 and this is my 2. Now a1 is nothing but 3, a2 is nothing but 6, here coefficient of y. Nothing is there, that does not mean it is having 0. It's a 1. Coefficient should be how much? 1. So 1 upon, here we have k, which is not equal to minus 3 by minus 8. Anyhow, we are not taking this part, focus on this. So here it will come 1 by 2 is equal to k. So therefore k is nothing but how much? 2. This is 1 mark question, MCQ. Getting this, how to solve? And if they are asking, if it is not equal to, if they are asking this condition, okay, find out the values for k. That means if they want two values, then you will get here 1 by k, which is not equal to 3 by 8. Minus minus get cancelled, and we can say that k is not equal to 8 by 3. K is nothing but what here? You can write 8 by 3. As I took 1 by k is 3 by 8. If you reciprocal, 8 by 3 will come. Getting this? Copy this. This is also 1 mark MCQ question. Copied. Now it is working. Okay, now see, in the same heading for the same no solution, I will give you one more question that you can solve and tell me the answer. Okay, we have x plus y minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to 0, and another is 2x plus ky. 2x plus ky is equal to 3. Okay, so there is also no solution. Condition is what? No solution. That means they are parallel. So find out the value for k here. I think for previous question you got k is equal to 2. Now find out here k value. Check how much will it come and tell me the answer. I am waiting for your answers. Those who are doing first, please message me in the chat box. Mostly ones, tens, this one. Ones, tens, 1,000, 10,000 लगा, 10,000 लगा कितनी? K is 2 Manthan. Yes, correct. Yes, your answer is correct. Yes, with the correct. Yes, correct. Others, Maria Amarva, you got the answer. Suvan, Jivitesh. Alia, are you there? Mariam, you got the answer. Marva, you got the answer. Marva got the answer. Suvan. Okay, everyone got the 2, but still I can solve here. Check once. Here we can take 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by k is equal to minus 4 by minus 3, which is not equal. So k is equal to 2. That's it. Fine. This is the answer. Okay. So write down next one. Find the value of k for which the system of linear equations x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 5x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0 is inconsistent. Okay, so we already discussed what is consistent, what are inconsistent line. So here they are saying inconsistent means they are parallel, and consistent are nothing but what? Your overlapping line, okay, as well as your intersecting. So here inconsistent is there, that means it is parallel, and again we are taking the same condition. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So A1 coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of this x is 5 is equal to 2 by k is not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, so here you can take only 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by k. So k is equal to, we can write it as 10. So value for k is nothing but 10 here. Now under the same inconsistent equation, you can find out the answer for this. 3x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 6x minus 2y minus p is equal to 0. So these are the pair of linear equations which are inconsistent. Inconsistent means parallel only. So here we have to find out the value for p. Same conditions you have to take and find out the value for p. Chalo, find out, and once you solve, then type the message in the message box or chat box. I am waiting for your answers. Okay now? Okay, simplify this. Check for second equation how much is the answer. P value will come how much? Yes, does anyone solve? So find out the value for 2 second P. So here, yes, does anyone got Marwa, Manthan? Suvan, Vidhi, P is equal to 10. Okay, Manthan, what is your answer? Marwa? Marwa, you got the answer? Alia, Suvan? Okay. You all wrote 10, but check here. If I am taking A1 by A2 is not A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, that is 3 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2 is equal to minus 5 by minus P. This is not equal, minus get cancelled. I am interested in P, that means you can take anything. Okay, means 1 by 2 is not equal to 5 by P. Then just cross multiply, you will get P is equal to 10. But here this sign is not equal to, no, so answer is P is not equal to 10. You wrote the answer, but you forgot to write this not equal. Okay, if whatever is the condition is there, you can write, don't make any changes. Okay, if something is there, that I will let you know, but here it is not equal to condition. If you equate this, 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6, which is not equal to C1 by C2. This mean is what? A1 by A2, this ratio is equal to B1 by B2. Means B1 by B2 is also equal to A1 by A2, and both are not equal to C1 by C2. Getting this? So here C1 by C2, which is not equal to B1 by B2 as well as A1 by A2. So answer in this case you will get P is not equal to 10. Getting? Don't modify your answers. So answer is P is not equal to 10. Means other than the P can have any number other than 10. Getting this? Yes, Mariam, correct. Now next condition, next question, write down. Find C. Find C if the system of equation, Cx plus 3y plus 3 minus c is equal to 0 and 12x plus cy minus c is equal to 0. Has infinitely many solution. Okay, here the two pair of linear equations are given and those are having infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution means they are having, the lines are overlapping with each other. As they are overlapping each other, that means their coordinates must be same. So that's what they are having, what? Number of solutions. That means infinitely many solution. And I already discussed with you, if they are overlapping, then condition for overlapping is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Now A1 is a C, A2 is a 12. B1 is a 3, B2 is a C. Equal to, you will get 3 minus C divided by C with minus sign. Can you get it? So anyhow I want to calculate the value for C. You can take anything. So and I will take this much. So C into C is a C square and 12 3s are how much? 36. So here C is nothing but what? Plus or minus 6. Getting this? This is what the answer. Getting? Everyone is getting the answers. Does anyone having any doubts, queries? Now next question. Write down next question. For what value of k? For what value of k? The following pair of linear equations. For what value of k? The following pair of linear equations. Following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. Have infinitely many solutions. Again same condition but equations are different. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and k plus 1 x plus 2k minus 1y is equal to 4k plus 1. Okay. So write down this equation and here same condition is there. They are saying infinitely many solution. So already I wrote the equation. So I wrote the condition also. Now substitute the value. A1 is nothing but here 2. A2 is nothing but k plus 1 and B1 is 3. B2 is nothing but 2k minus 1. Okay, take with the take a coefficient. Don't split that. Take a coefficient. So C1 is 7 but we are taking to this side, no, according to the standard equation. So it will become minus 7 and this will come how much? Minus of 4k plus 1. Okay, so anyhow minus and minus sign get cancelled. So at the beginning I am writing, but once we are thorough in this chapter I am ignoring that sign. That means they are cancelling out. So now we have to find out the value for k. Okay. So here you can take any two values. 2 by k plus 1 is equal to 3 upon 2k minus 1. Okay. Now take a cross multiplication. 2 into 2k minus 1 is equal to 3k plus 1. Now do use distributive method and multiply that 2 inside the bracket. 2 2s are 4k minus 2. 2 into 2 4k minus 2 is equal to 3 into k is a 3k and 3 plus 1, that is 3 into 1 is a 3. Okay, so here 4k and 3k you can transpose to this side, that is minus 3k. 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5 and 4 minus 3k is nothing but 1k. So here value of k is 5. This is also 2 mark question. Okay, and if you want to take this bracket is also okay. You will get the same answer. But calculations are more lengthy because it is 7, no? And this is 3. So here 2 and 3 immediately we can do it, but this value is also 4k plus 1. So bigger number of calculations are there. So you can choose any one. You can take 2 upon k plus 1 or 2 upon k plus 1 equal to 7 upon 4k plus 1. That is also fine. You can, because here all the 3 coefficients are same, you can make a pair and you can calculate. In each case you will get same answer. Getting this? Copy. So for doing this you should know the graphical representation and their conditions, and it is very easy to solve. And 100% there will be a 2 questions to finding out k and this value. So you should learn this chapter properly. Okay, copy this. Is everyone copied? Yes, Venkatji. Good evening. Now write down next question. Find the values of k. I hope everyone is copied, no? Find the values of a k so that pair of linear equations x plus 2y is equal to 5. X plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus ky plus 15. 3x plus ky is equal to 50 plus 15 is equal to 0 has unique solution. Okay, so I'll repeat. Find the values of k so that pair of linear equations 2x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus ky plus 15 is equal to 0 has a unique solution. Okay, and in unique solution we know that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 and it is not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so here what I will do, I'll rearrange this equation. X plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so now this is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2. Don't make any mistakes. So here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. I'll take this condition. Here a1 is a 1, a2 is a 3, which is not equal to this 2 upon this k. So here I can write 1 by k is not equal to transpose this. Oh, I will directly take cross multiplication. K is not equal to 6. So this is the answer. This is the correct answer. If it is not equal, then put the sign not equal only. Okay, don't write it there as a equal to. Suvan, are you there? Suvan, Jivitesh, Marwa, Vidhi, Anahita, Manthan, Alia, you all are there or all are sleeping nicely? Yes, now everyone is waking up. Okay. Okay, write down next question. For what value of k will the following pair of equations have infinitely many solutions? I'll repeat. For what value of k will the following pair of equations have infinitely many solutions? Okay, and equations I will write. You can find out and tell me the answer. I am waiting for your answer. Okay, and I want the answer in 2 to 3 minutes. I will not provide more than that. Okay, so we have time limitations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and here k plus 2 into x minus 3, 1 minus k y is equal to 5k plus 1. Okay, this is what the equation given. Now find out. This is little different. Okay, and which solutions are there? Many solutions are there. That means lines are overlapping. All the coordinates are same. Coefficients are same. Find out I'm expecting answers from you. Once you finish, then you can just type answer in the chat box. Marwa, can you able to understand? Yes, someone got the answer. मारवा आंसर मिला है. अनाहिता, विधि, आर्या, you people are getting answer. इधर सुवन, मंथन, जीवितेश, can you able to solve this question? हो गया? How much mark you got? K is equal to 0. No? Yes, someone calculated? Anyone who tried this question? Minus 6. No? Vidhi, what is your answer? Manthan, Suvan, Jivitesh, what about yours? Okay, I will explain. Okay. So here equation 1 is very straightforward. Okay. And equation 2, here k plus 2x minus, you can keep it as it is, 3 you can multiply, or you can keep 3 1 minus k as it is. Okay. 3 1 minus k y. Okay. 5k plus 1. I think maybe you people have made a mistake over here. What I am saying, the condition is what? Infinitely many solution. Okay. Infinitely many solution means a1 by a2, that is, I will write the condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. For writing correct condition, you will get 1 mark. Okay. So here a is nothing but 2. This is k plus 2. b1 is a 3 and b2 is a, along with the sign I am writing minus 3, 1 minus k. 1 minus k and c1 and c2 minus 5k, oh not minus, here 7 upon minus, no both are minus only, no, yeah, minus 5k plus 1. So So anyhow minus and minus they are get cancelled. Now any bracket you can take. So here 3 and 3 get cancelled, but negative sign is there. Don't forget this. So 2 upon I will take k plus 2 is equal to 1 upon, means I will take this minus sign up. Okay, and this is 1 minus k. Take a cross multiplication. 2 inside the bracket, 1 minus k is equal to minus 1 k plus 2. Now multiply this. 2 into 1 is a 2. 2 minus k, that is 2 into k, and equal to, now keep minus here. You can just multiply the minus sign inside this bracket. So this will become minus k minus 2. So this minus k you can transpose to this side. This will become plus, and this is minus 2, and this plus 2 if you transpose there, it will become minus 2. So minus 2k plus 1 is plus k. Okay, and minus 2 is nothing but minus 4. This is what your answer. Getting? Answer is k is equal to minus 4. Oh, sorry, not minus 4. Oh, 2 minus 2 plus k is a minus k, no? Yeah, minus and minus get cancelled, and k is the 4. So you got different answers, no? Than 4. Someone got minus 6, someone got 0, someone got k is equal to 3. No. Can you getting now? Everyone understood this question? Little different than the previous one. Okay, understood. Copy everyone. ओके एवरीवन कॉपीड. मारवा समझ में आया? विधि, अनाहिता, मंथन, सुवन, जीवितेश, आलिया. आई थिंक शी इज नॉट देयर. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? Now same in fact another equations I will give you. Try that. Check how much is the answer you will get and let me know. I think we did this before. So everyone copied now? Can I erase this? Can everyone copied? Here next equations we have to find out the value for p. Okay, and the p is having this equations are having infinitely many solution, and here the equations are given p minus 3 into x plus 3y is equal to p, and here we have px plus py is equal to 12. Okay, so these are the equations are given, and these equations have infinitely many solutions, and infinitely many solutions, put the condition and put the values and find out the value for p. Check how can you do this.
ओरिएंटेशन म्हणजे ते कोणतं पण
Okay, what the answer? Infinitely many solution means we have condition a1 by a2, b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so here a1 is p minus 3 by p equal to we have 3 by p, and this is p by 12. Anyhow, that 12 is means minus get cancelled. You can take this. Okay, this is more easier. So 12 threes are how much? 36 is equal to p square. Correct? And if you take square root on both the side, it will become plus or minus 6. This is what the answer. Khalas. Okay. Finished. Yeah. Now write down one question for a homework. Find the values of k. Find the values of k for which the pair of linear equations kx, I'll write down the equation kx plus y is equal to k square and x plus ky is equal to 1. The equations are given kx plus y is equal to k square and x plus ky is equal to 1 have infinitely many solution. Okay, so this you can do it as a homework. Okay, now write down next question. Write down next question. Find whether the lines represented by 2x plus y is equal to 3. Lines represented by 2x plus y is equal to 3 and 4x plus 2y is equal to 6. 4x plus 2y is equal to 6 are parallel, coincident or intersecting. I'll repeat the question. Find whether the lines represented by 2x plus y is equal to 3 and 4x plus 2y is equal to 6 are parallel, coincident or intersecting. Okay, so they are asking here whether these lines are parallel or coincident or intersecting. That we have to find out. Okay, so you can write down the equations, given equations, and compare the coefficients and calculate a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 and check. Here equations are given. That equations are nothing but 2x plus y. 2x plus y is equal to 3 and 4x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, so these are the equations given. So I will write here a1 is a 2, b1 is a 1 because coefficient of y is 1 and c1 is nothing but minus 3 because if we take to this side means we can write here see 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 and therefore this equation we can write it as 4x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1 and c1 is equal to minus 3. Now a2 is a 4, b2 is a 2 and c2 is a minus 6. Getting this? So now take a ratio a1 by a2, that is 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 I am getting minus 3 by minus 6. Minus minus get cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 1 by 2. Now you can check each coefficient value is equal to 1 by 2. That means I can write a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, that means this condition is verified when the lines are overlapping or coincident. So here the given equations are what? Coincident. So for writing the statement also you get a half mark. Here lines are coincident lines. Okay, write down this. Finished? How intersecting? I got coincident. Check your answer once. Everyone is getting intersecting. Mariam, Marwa, check answer. Vidhi, Anahita, check your answers. Suvan, are you there? Can you able to solve? Jivitesh, Manthan, check once answer. Okay. Everyone got the coincident lines, no? Okay. Suvan, I'm keeping extra session tomorrow for you and Jivitesh. Okay, I'll message you the timings. Okay, chalo, next one. Small question is there. Write down. Find whether the following pair of linear equation is consistent or inconsistent. Find whether the following pair of linear equations is consistent or inconsistent. Okay. Everyone copied, no? The questions from the board. Answer from the board. Everyone copied. Finished. Okay. Yeah. Finished. Write down. Find whether the following pair of linear equations is inconsistent or inconsistent. I will write down the equation. You can tell the answer to me. Okay. I will write the only equations. You know now how to solve or how to check the consistency and inconsistency. Okay. So here 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 6x minus 4y is equal to 9. Okay, calculate this. find out this. Okay, what is this? Consistent. कंसिस्टेंट. शाबाश बच्चों, तुम लोगों का अक्ल ठिकाने में ही नहीं है. ओके, तो हियर व्हाट, a1 is 3, a2 is 6, b1 is 2, b2 is -4, c1 is -8, c2 is -9. So a1 by a2 is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is nothing but 2 by -4 is nothing but -1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is -8 by -9. Minus get cancelled. Now here a1 and a2 is not equal to b1 and b2, and it is not equal to c1 and c2. This is half and this is with negative sign. They are not equal. Okay, that means your observing power is also very weak. They are here consistent. Yeah, okay, you wrote consistent only. Sorry, I thought you wrote inconsistent. Everyone got the answer? Chalo. Now if you have a graph, then keep graph ready. Okay, write down next equation. For what values of m and n, write down next equation. For what values of m and n, the following system of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. I'll repeat. For what values of m and n, the following system of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. Okay, and the equations are given here. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12, and another equation that is given m plus n x plus 2 m minus n y is equal to 5m minus 1. Okay, here equation, I will repeat this. For what values of m and n, the following system of linear equations has infinitely many solutions, and equations are given. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12, and m plus n into x plus m minus n into y is equal to 5m minus 1. Okay, so we have to find out the values for m and n. So try to find out this. Infinitely many solutions they are saying, no? Okay. In infinitely many solution condition is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So a1 is a 3 and a2 is m plus n equal to 4 upon 2 inside the bracket m minus n. Don't take only m minus n, 2 is also there, don't forget. Otherwise if you forget, then your entire answer will go wrong. Equal to 12 upon 5m minus 1. So here what I will do, I will take this equation. So here 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So 3 upon m plus n is equal to 2 upon m minus n. So cross multiply, 3m minus n is equal to 2m plus n. Okay, now multiply this, 3m minus 3n is equal to 2m plus 2n. So 2m you can bring it to this side, 2m minus 3m minus 2n, and here 2n plus 3n. Minus will go to that side, that will become positive. So this is m is equal to, because 3 minus 2 is 1m, and 2n plus 3n is a 5n. Okay. So m is equal to, I am getting here 5n. I am getting relation, but they are asking here the value for m and n. Okay. I am getting here m is equal to 5n. So I got up to here. Now the problem is that here we are getting relation. Then I am not getting separate value for m and n. Then what we can do now, here we have one more option, that is we will take this group also, 2 upon m minus n equal to 12 upon 5m minus 1. Now take cross multiplication, or 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So here 1 upon m minus n, 6 upon 5m minus 1. Getting this? Now take cross multiplication, 5m minus 1 into 1 will remain same, then 6m minus n. So here 5m minus 1, 6m minus 6n. Getting this? Now what we can do, I will continue here. So this 6n you can transpose to this side. Okay, so 6n will become positive when you transpose to this side. Along with that, this minus 1 is also there, equal to 6n, and this 5 will go to that side, it will become minus 5m, that is 1m. Okay, 6n minus 1. Now here also the same. Then what we can do, here we have the value for m, no? M is equal to 5n. This is equation number 1. Okay. So what I will do, I will substitute the value for m over here, that is 5n. Getting this? Now 6n, transpose this 5 to this side. So this will become minus 5n, and this minus 1 you can transpose to the RHS, it will become positive 1. So 6 minus 5 is 1n is equal to 1. So n value you will get how much? 1. And here I have n is equal to 5 times of n. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So value for m is nothing but how much? 5. Okay. This is 4 mark question. Mostly they will ask this kind of question in D section. Getting how to solve. Okay. First they gave the equation. According to that we wrote the condition. And then we wrote the coefficients. Check here where we can bring it into the lowest form, and just find out the relation between 1 and 2. And if you are not getting answer, keep one relation, obtain a relation and give it as a number 1. Then go for second and third part, okay, and try to bring a relation and check whether can we keep the equation 1 in the second one. Then put that and you can calculate both variables m and n. I hope you are getting these questions. This is 4 mark question. Mostly they will ask this in section D for 4 marks. Getting this? Understood? Everyone is getting? Any doubts are there? Okay, everyone copied. Can I go for the next question? If you have a graphs, you can keep the graphs ready, or else you can draw the graphs on your notebook just by taking a proper scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter, like that. Okay. Okay, finished. Write down next question. Determine graphically whether the following pair of linear equations determine. Everyone copied now from the board? Is everyone copied? Arey message man. Okay, write down. Determine graphically whether the following pair of linear equations 3x minus y is equal to 7, 3x minus y is equal to 7 and 2x plus 5y, 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So here first I will write the equation. 3x minus y is equal to 7 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 has unique solution. First bit unique solution, second infinitely many solutions, third no solution. Okay, I'll repeat the question here. Determine graphically whether the following pair of linear equation 3x minus y is equal to 7 and 2x plus 5y is equal to 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 has a unique solution, second infinitely many solution, third no solution. Okay, this we have to verify graphically. Chalo, ab tak to we are doing conditions and we are finding out. Now they are asking us show with the help of graphical method. Okay, means we have to draw the graph. But how can we draw the graph? If we have a coordinates, then only we can draw the graph here. Otherwise we can't draw the graph. So now our aim is to find out the coordinates. Okay, for the given variable. Suppose if I am writing this equation first, 3x minus y is equal to 7, then I keep minus y, 7 minus 3x. So y negative sign you can transpose to that side. So minus 7 minus of minus 3 is become 3x. So I will write 3x minus 7. Okay, rearrange the term. Meaning will remain same. So now here suppose if I am keeping put x is equal to 0, then y I am getting 7. If y is I am keeping 1, then x is 1, then y I am getting 3 minus 7, that is equal to minus 4. Now again if I put x is equal to 2, 3 2s are 6, then y is equal to 6 minus 7 is minus 1. So make a table over here. Minimum at least 3 coordinates you have to find out. So this is x and y. So when x is 0, y is minus 7. When x is 1, y is minus 4. When x is 2, then it is minus 1. Getting this? So these are the coordinates for equation number 1. Now second equation I will write it as 2x is equal to minus 1 minus 5y and x is equal to minus 1 minus 5y, and this 2 is multiplied with x. So 2 transpose to that side, divide by 2. Okay, getting this? Now you have to choose a value for y in such a way that should be divisible by 2. Okay, so here suppose x is equal, if I am substituting y is equal to 3. Okay, my y is equal to only plus 3. So yeah, plus 3 I am substituting, or if I am substituting minus 3, no, I will keep 3 only. So y is 3, then x is equal to minus 1, 5 into 3, 15 by 2, that is nothing but minus 16 by 2 is minus 8. Okay, is equal to minus 8, this is y. Okay, so now check another values. Check what are the values we can keep so that they are become divisible. If not, if I substitute y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, oh, this is what I got, x, no, y is equal to 1, then x is equal to minus 1, 5 into minus 1, no, minus and minus will become plus 1 minus 5 divided by 2, so plus 5, y is minus 1. So here it will come 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. X I am getting 2, and suppose if y I am keeping plus 1, then x is equal to minus 1 minus 5 divided by 2, that is minus 6 by 2, that is equal to minus 3. Okay, so this is what the answer. And if I make a table for this equation, here this is x and y. Whenever x is, y is 3, that time x is minus 8, then x is, whenever 2, that time y is minus 1, and in next case whenever y is plus 1, then x is minus 3. So this is what the table I got. Okay, maybe your table is different if you are solving with another method. Okay, means another coordinate or another values. Okay, but resultant should be same. So now here I will try to draw the graph. Positive values are less, no? So I will take graph little this side. और थोड़ा okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here I can take 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now here we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Oh, -8 is also there, no? Oh, -6. I'll take little bit to this side. -6, -7 and -8. And y-axis also we have one is minus. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Okay, this is y dash, this is y, this is x, and this is x dash. Now plot the graph for equation 1. For equation 1, 0, -7. 0, -7. 1, -4, that means somewhere here, and 2, -1. 2, -1. So this side. Okay. So if you have a scale, then draw this line, pass a line from all the 3 points. I don't have a scale. Okay. And I will write the equation name, that is 3x minus y is equal to 7. Okay, this is what the first equation I got. Then second is we have -8. Okay, -8 and 3. So this is what I have a point. Then 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means this. Okay, and another is -3. -3 and 1. That is this point. Okay, so it's very clear it is an intersecting unique solution we get, because 2 minus 1 and here I got 2 minus 1. Okay, so pass the line from this all 3 coordinates. Okay, so here this equation is 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is intersecting line. So you can mention here scale 1 unit on x and y axis is 1 centimeter. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so note it down. In graphs, the equation, that line contains the equation name. Copy this. This is the intersecting, and if suppose if they can, maybe they can ask what is the common point in between both the lines, that is 2 minus 1. Okay. Copied. Okay, everyone copied. Okay, so write down the next question. For Uttarakhand flood victims, for Uttarakhand flood victims, two sections A and B, two sections A and B of class X, contributed rupees 1,500, contributed 1,500, full stop. If the contribution of X dash A, victims, X dash A means class 10A, 10A was rupees 100, less than that of X means 10B, than 10B, find graphically the amounts contributed, find graphically the amounts contributed by both the sections, I'll repeat this question. For Uttarakhand flood victims, two sections A and B of class 10 contributed rupees 1,500, full stop. If the contribution of 10A was rupees 100 less than that of 10B, find graphically the amounts contributed by both the sections. Okay, so this is what one graph question I will do. Then I will give you two. Okay, then after that I will give some questions on this graphs. Okay, because it is time consuming. Then after that we will go for story sums. Okay, so here Uttarakhand flood victims, two sections are there, A and B. So you can take for section A as a X, and section means the amount contributed by section A is X and amount contributed by section B is Y. Okay, so they both combined and they contributed rupees 1,500. Okay, so here everyone copied now from the board. So can I erase now? So here I will take class A. Oh shit. Write down here. Class A, amount of class A is X rupees and amount of class B is Y units. and they both contributed is how much? 1500 rupees. And in second case, what they are saying? They are saying if contribution of class A was rupees 100 less than that of class B. Okay, means so we can write here y minus x is equal to 100 or y is equal to 100 plus x. We can write it like that. So we have these two equations. Then can you plot the graph? I already wrote the equation. And here if you want, you can modify y is equal to 100 minus x. Okay, and here again you can take y is equal to 1500 minus x. So you can take this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. Now I will write here y is equal to 1500 minus x. Now whenever this kind of big numbers will come, then you have to choose the x or y coordinates according to the given values. Okay, so here 1500, then suppose if I am keeping x is equal to here 1000, so y you will get how much? 1500 minus 1000 is nothing but 500. Okay, then this is if x is, so if x is we have 500, then y you will get how much? 1500 minus 500 is nothing but what? 1000. Like that you have to find out. Now suppose if x is equal to 0, then what you will get? Y is nothing but 1500. So make a table over here. This is x and y. Okay, x is nothing but here initially 1000, then y we got 500. So whenever x we are taking 500, in that case we are getting 1000, and when x is equal to 0, in that case y is 1500. Getting how I got the coordinates? Now go for this equation, y is equal to 100 minus x. So put x is equal to how much now? Can you take x is equal to here? Can you take x is equal to if I take 500 also, okay, I will keep here minus 900. Okay, x is equal to minus 900. What you will, why I took minus 900, you will come to know that. So if I am keeping x is equal to minus 900, so I get 100 minus of minus 900, that is nothing but how much? 1000, because minus of minus is plus. So here say I got the scale 1000 and 500, 500, 1000 like that. So anyhow we can take a scale 1 centimeter or 1 unit is equal to 1000 units or 1 unit is equal to 500. So that would be better. Okay, that's what I took here, minus 900. So again if I substitute x is equal to minus of minus 400, then y you will get 100 minus of minus 400 is nothing but how much? Plus 500. Getting this? Understood? So next one, check.
मी प्रत्येक गेम खेळले 10 जिंकले 5 आहे आणि ते 10 मी त्याचा कम खेळले माझं नाही मी चेस खेळले आणि पक्का
Okay, third coordinate also we can find out here. Check third coordinate, find out. Everyone is alive, no? Put x is equal to, now x is equal to, suppose if I am keeping minus 500, then y I am getting 600. Okay, so make a table over here. So make x and y. when x is 500, in this case you will get 600. Then x is minus 400, in that case you will get 500. And when x is equal to minus 900, then here I will get y as a 1000. Okay, now draw the graph.
Currently rank 35 out of 36 within percentage category.
Okay, everyone can copy this.
And with 18 plus 40 well, with 11 games and मला माहित नाही मी किती गेम मला कसं मला माहित नव्हतं तूच विचार माझ्या बुद्धीला he I have a very different justice.
Okay, copied. Okay, now draw the graph. You can draw the graph work you can do it in your home. Already I gave the coordinates and everything with you, so find out this. Okay, everyone can draw the graph and send it to me and check which one is the intersecting point you are getting here. Okay, so write down 2 questions for homework. Write down. Solve graphically the pair of linear equations. Solve graphically the pair of linear equations 3x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0, plus 3 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 21 equal to 0. I'll repeat. Solve graphically the pair of linear equations 3x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. Find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangular region find the coordinates of a vertices of the triangular region formed by these lines and x-axis. Formed by these lines and x-axis full stop. Also calculate the area of this triangle. Okay, so you have to take a triangle which makes with the x-axis. I already explained you. Okay, so this is what the question for a homework. Now okay, write down one question. The incomes of two persons A and B. The incomes of two persons A and B are in the ratio 8:7, are in the ratio 8:7, and their ratio of their expenditures is 19:16. 19:16. If their savings are rupees, rupees 2,550 per month. 2,550 per month. Find their monthly income. Okay, I'll repeat this question. The incomes of two persons A and B are in the ratio 8:7, and the ratio of their expenditure is 19:16. If their savings are rupees 2,550 per month, find their monthly income. Okay, this question we can do it by tomorrow. I have some work. Okay, I have to leave now, so we will do this question tomorrow. Tomorrow also I am keeping one session. Okay, first science and then I'll go for maths. Okay, thank you. I'll end this session. You can also leave this meeting.